If you don't like paying luxury prices but still want that premium SUV feel, then you've got to see what China's building. Alright car lovers, meet the Chinese Range Rover. Slick design, plush interior, and tech that'll make your head spin. This SUV is turning heads and ruffling feathers. Under the hood, you'll find a punchy turbo engine, but the real story? The price. You're getting luxury features for half of what you'd pay for the British badge. But let's be real, badge prestige still matters. Can this newcomer match the legendary Range Rover off-road? Not quite, but for city cruising and daily drives, it's shockingly close. Apple CarPlay, massaging seats, 360 camera, it's all here. You might miss a bit of that old-school British charm, but you're gaining a refreshed high-tech vibe. So, is the Chinese Range Rover better? If you want to turn heads and save some serious cash, it just might be. The real question: would you swap your Land Rover keys for this Challenger? Drop your thoughts below. Let's stir up the comments.